A very warm welcome to all of you. Have a nice and safe day to you all. Today we are going to discuss about another important topic about protozoa reproduction. In this video we will discuss about detailed process of conjugation in paramecium. Paramecium, the sleeper animal, they reproduce asexually and as well as by sexual method. The sexual method of reproduction takes place specially through conjugation process. Let's discuss how the conjugation takes place. The paramecium taking part in conjugation are called as conjugants, and always the conjugants are opposite strain paramecium. Okay, suppose these are two paramecium, one paramecium, another paramecium. The body is covered with cilia, Here is the oral group, here is also the oral group. What happens during the process of conjugation? The two conjugants come in close contact with each other at their ventral surface. What happens? Each paramecium consists of a larger macronucleus which is kidney shape, and a small micronucleus. Okay, the micronucleus is diploid micronucleus. It is diploid. The macronucleus is also diploid, but the macronucleus do not participate in the process of conjugation. What happens at the onset of conjugation? When two opposite strain paramecium are available, they lose their cilia. The cilia has been lost, the oral group disappeared, the paramecium come closer and attach by their ventral surface. Okay, this is the macronucleus, micronucleus. Here also macronucleus, micro. So both macronucleus and micronucleus are there. What happens then? The macronucleus give rise to processes, extended processes, and at the tip of extended process it produces balls like structure, and continuously the macronucleus disappeared and it is converted into small fragments of cytoplasm. What happens then? The macronucleus completely disappeared. Okay, the micronucleus remain in both these cases. The micronucleus now divide by meiosis. We know gametic nuclei can be only formed by meiosis. So the diploid nuclei divide through meiosis, producing haploid nuclei here. Haploid, 4 nuclei, 4 haploid nuclei. Here also 4 haploid nuclei. These are haploid. What happens then? After formation of this haploid condition, what happens? Out of these 4 nuclei, 3 disappeared. That means the remaining one haploid remain here. except haploid nuclei none can fuse. So these haploid nuclei now divide unequally, unequal division. Okay, a mitosis like process. What happens after this unequal type of division? What happens immediately? A larger fragment and a small fragment. Here also another larger fragment and a smaller fragment is formed. This is called as female pronucleus. This is female. This one is male pronucleus. Here also another female and male pronuclei are there. After formation of male and female pronuclei, what happens? Immediately a cytoplasmic bridge is formed between them, which is due to cellular lysine. Cellular lysine. Due to cellular lysine, a communicating bridge is formed. Okay. What happens after formation of bridge? One is larger, another is small pronuclei. Here also another smaller and larger pronuclei. This smaller fuse with it and another it also fuse with it. The male of one fuses with female of other in the through the cytoplasmic bridge. After fusion, the conjugates now separate from each other. These are called as X conjugant, carrying diploid zygote in both. Diploid zygote in both. These are X conjugant. Clear? X conjugates. What happens after that? After formation of X conjugates, they again divide. Each of them enter into the same process. Suppose we are considering one individual, another also follows the same pattern. Here this zygote nucleus divide 3 times. 3 times division, 3 times माइटोसिस, नॉट मियोसिस. डिप्लॉयड हो गया अभी तो माइटोसिस होगा. सो हियर व्हाट हैपन, देयर आर in this and in this 8 nuclei produced, 8 nuclei, out of which 4 are micro and 4 are macronucleus. Larger nucleus 4 and smaller nucleus 4. Larger nucleus 4, smaller nucleus 4. The larger nucleus remain intact, 3 micro disappear. Okay, so what happened in this paramecium? 4 macro and 1 micronucleus remain. What happened after that? It is followed by division of micronuclei and cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm. What happened due to division of cytoplasm? 2 paramecium first appear. Okay, out of the 2 paramecium, the macronucleus distributed equally, 2 in one and another 2 macro in other. Micro divided, 1 micro here, another micro here. The process again continued. It also produces 2 from it. It also produces another 2 from it. Okay, each one having 1 macro, 1 micro, 1 macro, 1 micro, 1 macro, 1 micro. In this way, 4 paramecium arises from one zygote. This zygote also produces 4. So 4 from here, another from here. Total 8 number of paramecium are produced from the conjugation process. Clear? So it is all about the conjugation in paramecium. In the next video, we will go for abnormal behavior of conjugation. So it is all about the process of conjugation. It produces 8 paramecium. Clear? So thank you all for this video.